Besides home-based prevention techniques, Triton School Corporation will be implementing protocols at school to protect our students and staff. Some of the protocols include, but are not limited to, tracking the community spread. We will continue to be in communication with our local health department about alarming trends and concerns. Medical inquiries. School officials may inquire if the child is experiencing COVID-related symptoms. This is for the child's protection and the protection of others. A child may be excluded from school if exhibiting concerning symptoms, at which time parents or guardians will be called. It is imperative that we have updated contact information in the event of a child needing to go home or an emergency. A clinical space for COVID-19 symptomatic scholars will be provided at each building. Students who do not display symptoms, who are injured, or students who have special health care needs can and will be seen in the well child side of the clinic. If and when a positive case is confirmed, Triton School Corporation will work closely with the Kosciuszko and Marshall County Health Departments to take the proper steps to inform those who may have had direct contact with an individual. The child who tested positive will not be identified in communications to the school community at large, but may need to be selectively identified for contact tracing by the local health department. Custodial staff will be informed so the impacted bus, building, furnishings, and equipment can be thoroughly cleaned. School counselors and psychologists will be available for those who may need social-emotional supports during this turbulent time. Families who do not feel comfortable sending their child back to school will have the option to continue with digital learning. Parents or guardians will complete and submit a formal request for online learning or contact the child's school. We will understand this option is needed now. However, I think it is important to note that our community understands that Triton has no desire to become a virtual school, as we know this is not the best instruction for the most students. Also, if an opt-out for digital learning is chosen, the scholar will also be excluded from extracurricular options until it is safe for them to return. And be on the lookout for more details for both Triton Elementary, Triton Junior Senior High School, and a closer look at the Triton Blueprint for bringing Trojans back safely on August 5th.